Chinese flying car makes first flight in Dubai. China-based Xpeng AeroHT conducted the very first public test flight of its electric flying car on October 11 at Skydive Dubai. It takes place in front of 150 viewers, against the backdrop of panoramic views of the cityscape and excellent airspace conditions. The 90-second flight saw the car demonstrate electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) capabilities. The Xpeng X2 is a fifth-generation flying car, according to Xpeng AeroHT, and is developed and manufactured independently by the Chinese company. It is a two-seater that adopts a minimalistic teardrop-shaped design, giving it a very futuristic appearance that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Aerodynamics has been taken into consideration here to achieve the ultimate in-flight performance. Along with weight reduction, and an all-carbon fiber body has been used. Being an all-electric car, it does not produce any carbon emissions and contributes to the global effort to do away with ICE. Internal combustion engine vehicles in favor of greener urban transportation. The X2 is most suitable for low-altitude city flights and short-distance city journeys such as sightseeing and medical transportation. The most exciting feature of the car is its ability to fly autonomously, where passengers can perform super safe start, return, and landing operations at the touch of a button. There's also a manual mode for the more adventurous ones out there. A serious amount of reliability and safety testing is required before any aircraft, that includes flying cars. A commercial-ready car is likely still years away from hitting the showroom. The company behind it has demonstrated all the necessary details that the idea is certainly close to becoming a reality. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.